Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a bit of a damp Derbyshire. We're up in the Peak District today. We're going to try out a new cafe called the Bird Cafe, somewhere near Hathersage. So I'm out with some of the usual suspects. Oh wow, nice old traction engine. Hope you can see that. Oh, the smell of coal as you go past it. Oh, I love that smell. So it has been raining a bit on the way up here. It seems to be dying off a bit, but you can see we're still cloudy. The roads are drying-ish. We're out on the bike, it's all that matters. I do feel a bit rusty on the bike. Not been out on the bike since the Ireland trip. That's I don't know, how long ago was it? It's quite a few weeks anyway. I don't know why, I've just not been out on the bike, it's not had the time, been busy elsewhere. Not even had time to edit the vlogs from Ireland yet. I've got two vlogs out. Hopefully there'll be more coming. Just need time to edit them. I've got one that I've started to edit. Hopefully I'll have had them all out by the time you see this, but this one might come out as a different schedule. So it should be a shorter vlog and easier to edit. Only a couple of hours rather than a full day's ride. We actually did this bit of road on the slow rider social ride, but coming the other way. Right, we're on the Castleton to Hathersage road now. I think the cafe's on this road. I'm not sure how far down. Really nice little ride, enjoyed it. This is the best thing about a bike, we can just bypass all the traffic, and there are quite a few people that are paying attention in the cars, pulling over slightly for us, which is absolutely fantastic. Temporary traffic lights, that's why. Just have to be careful here. Okay, I'm going to go this side. Must be a weight limit on that bridge or something, because I'm sure these lights have been up here for a bit. They're all regretting not putting the roofs on. Morgan Owners Club outing, obviously. We're here. Jumps are good. That was a nice little lunch here at the Bird Cafe. Nice toasty and a coffee. And nearly getting run over with some old deer backing up. Right, I think we're going to head off to the Snake now. I probably won't film that actually. I think this will be good enough for a vlog. Well, I'll definitely say call in here if you're passing and want something to eat. Nice little place. So I'll say bye. Catch you all again. See you guys.